In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make rounded corner shapes in Photoshop CS6. This is a simple but essential skill for creating buttons, badges, cards, and clean UI elements that look modern and polished. First, let's get the right tool. Look over to your toolbar and find the rectangle tool. If you click and hold on it, or right-click if that's easier on your setup, a small flyout menu appears. From that list, choose the rounded rectangle tool. You'll know you've got the right one when the cursor shows a rounded corner icon. If you don't see the tools, make sure Photoshop is in the Essentials workspace, or that the toolbar isn't collapsed. Before drawing, look at the options bar at the top of your screen. There's a field labeled radius. This number controls how curved the corners will be. A small value gives you gentle rounding, while a larger value creates more dramatic curves. There's no perfect number for every design, so think about your canvas size and the look you're going for. For example, a small social media icon might look good around 8 to 20 pixels, whereas a large banner element might need something more like 30 to 60 pixels, or even higher. The key tip here is to set the radius before you draw, because it's much easier to get the exact curve you want from the start. If you're unsure, try a value, draw a quick test shape, and adjust if needed. You can also choose whether you're drawing a shape, path, or pixels in the options bar. Shape is usually the most flexible choice because it keeps your edges clean and allows you to scale without losing quality. While you're there, you can pick a fill color and an optional stroke so you see exactly how your rounded rectangle will look as you place it. Now, draw the shape. Move your cursor onto the canvas, click and drag to create the rounded rectangle. If you want a perfect rounded square, hold the shift key while dragging. If you want to reposition the shape while you're still dragging, hold the spacebar and move it around, then release the spacebar to continue sizing. Release the mouse when you're happy with the size. You'll see a new shape layer appear, and your rounded corners will match the radius you set. That's all you need to make clean, rounded corner shapes in Photoshop CS6. Practice a few sizes, experiment with radius values, and you'll quickly get a feel for what works best in your designs.